Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make another bag, clutch or handbag, whatever you call it. So I just took the cardboard pieces without any measurement, and this is the gift wrap paper, silver color. It's like glass shade as well coming, so I decided to use it. I applied the glue on the cardboard pieces, and then I will be applying this paper on top of this. You can use the fabric as well inside, but for me I thought it's better to use this type of paper inside because it's easy to clean the bag from the inside, in case if you have some color came from your lipsticks or eye shades or anything, so it's much easy to clean. I couldn't find the black one, so that's why I used this silver color paper. This is how it's now ready. I have stick it from the sides, and this is going to be the lid for the this hand carry bag. I'm applying some paper tape on it first, then I will be covering the back side with something different. So now I am taking another piece of cardboard, the foldable like this, which I'm going to stick it here on top for the handle. This is just an idea because the end results, I love it. I really like the end results of this bag. Obviously anyone can buy from the market the ready ones, but this is something like you can create by yourself in much more easy way and cheap way, and just to enjoy your creativity and those things. But anyway, here I took another piece of cardboard and I'm going to draw some roughly shape of flowers or something. It is not going to be any detailing things of flowers or something, it's just rough work. And then I will be cutting it off, all these flowers and designs, whatever I draw on this piece of cardboard. Here you can see I have removed all, and this piece of cardboard I will be using it later for some other my craft. I will see where I can use that because it's looking so beautiful, like stencils and those things. So here I'm drawing the part where I will be going to stick the piece for the bag to close it properly. By leaving that part, I will be applying these cardboard flowers and design styles on all the box, on all the bag, from all the sides except the back side. It doesn't matter if you want to apply for the back side, you can go for that, but for me I will be using just front part, top and the sides. The back part I will be leaving it as it is. So here you can see this is how it looks like now. Another piece of cardboard which I'm going to stick it here, which part I left before to close the bag, so I'll be sticking it here. As you can see my fingers, I'm applying some cream on it because I have burned my hand with the hot glue very badly and it was extreme painful, so sorry for that. You can see this cream on my hand, but I had to finish the work as well and it was very painful, so you can see the hand very clearly in my video. Sorry for that. And I am thinking now to make the fabric gloves at home for myself to use it because I burned my hands so many times with the hot glue, so it's much better to secure it with any kind of fabric gloves or rubber ones. I think fabric gloves will be better because even if the hot glue comes on it, it will not melt the leather ones or the normal market gloves. So I will be making the gloves for me to work for my craft videos. Anyway, here is white glue and I'm using these tissues to give it the texture. You can go for the newspaper or craft paper as well if you don't want any texture on these flowers and bag, but I'm using these tissues because after getting dry they will be giving very nice texture, which will be giving a look of fabric type texture. So anyway, here on the back side I don't need much details for the textures and those things. I want the back part to be smooth and straight, so I'm using here newspaper. But as I said before, you can go for the fabric if you want, but I'm just showing the easy way to do those things. So after it got dry, I'm using this black acrylic paint, uh, leaving the flowers, the prominent parts of the bag. On the surface, I'm just using this black acrylic paint, and I will be leaving it to dry completely. So this is how it looks like now after coloring it with the black acrylic paint. And now here I have this red acrylic paint. I'm going to cover all the flowers with this paint. You can go for your colors of choice, whatever, obviously, but I just wanted to use black and red combination with some gold on it. So yeah, I'm using these colors. This is how it looks like now after coloring all the flowers with the red paint. Here you can see, you can go for the leather handles and those things, but I just want to show the easy way at home how you can do those things. And here on this part I'm using again this silver paper. I will be covering it and the tape parts as well where it was prominent tape. Here you can see I have covered it all. And then this is stretchy black fabric like wool type something, which I'm going to stick it here on the handle and on this part where we will be closing the bag and open it. Here I have this golden beads lace which I am going to roll it like this, and I will be sticking it here on the front part and on top near the handle, on both sides. You can go for any other beads or something you like, but this is, I like the combination with black and red, then some combination with the golden. So this is how it looks like now, and definitely I'm going to use it for my daily life wherever I want to go, and I have planning to make some more bags like this one. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and that's just care and love from all of you if you subscribe to channel, and it's an encouragement when I see my subscribers are increasing to bring new ideas. And this is a simple idea, but I loved it and it's a useful thing as well. So I hope you enjoyed it and you liked it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.